Sitting on the sedan chairs as oriental princesses would, the Maria title contenders are even more stunning. Just like every year, the 12 girls chosen for their beauty and their grace have officially opened the Venice Carnival, protagonists of a majestic historical parade departing from San Pietro di Castello and, according to tradition, triumphantly ending up on stage in Piazza San Marco.
Siamo entrati nel vivo proprio adesso.
This is the highlight of our celebration on such a great Saturday, and the first official carnival parade right to the square, right to Piazza San Marco. The weather has been merciful and we managed to salute the Maria ladies parading along Riva degli Schiavoni. The Maria Parade is a much anticipated moment for Venetians, who are curious to see the queens of their city up close, to know them, to salute them, to take pictures of them. It was such a thrill. I'm overwhelmed. Such an amazing experience. There are no words to describe how I'm feeling right now. It's such an emotional moment for them, perhaps the greatest. Being carried on a sedan chair is such a lovely moment for these girls. The costumes and hairstyles sported by the young ladies recall the beautiful but poor girls from the past. These girls were given a rich dowry from the doji to grant them a good marriage. The contestants from the current edition are visibly excited, definitely not to find an eligible husband, but because the most beautiful will be crowned Maria of the Year on the second last day of Carnival. The winner is then to perform the following year in the spectacular Flight of the Angel, descending from the bell tower in Piazza San Marco. I hope it will be me to fly from the bell tower. I really wish to be the next Columbine. So take a careful look at these beautiful ladies in bloom. Which one has won your heart? Choose your favorite Maria, and who knows, you may bring her luck.